Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials working so you can move quickly. Open your project folder in VS Code and use the integrated terminal to run npm init. That creates package. JSON and makes dependency installs predictable. Install Node, JS and Git first to enable local servers and version control. Then add live server, Prettier, and ESLint extensions so you have instant feedback on changes and consistent formatting. Once done, create a simple index, HTML and index, JS to confirm the environment. Once your files exist, configure VS Code so it supports your workflow. You should enable format on save and set tab size and workspace settings to avoid style drift. This saves time during reviews. Create ESLint-rc, JSON, and Prettier-rc to enforce linting and formatting. Install related npm packages and run fixes via the terminal. Then set up launch. JSON for browser or node debugging and tasks. JSON for build scripts so you can run and debug with F5. This structure streamlines development and reduces manual steps. You complete the cycle by building, testing, and deploying. Run npm run build or your bundler, then preview with live server or a local node process to verify assets load correctly. Commit meaningful changes and push to your remote so CI or hosting can pick them up. Make sure to update package. JSON scripts for deploy automation. If something goes wrong, the quickest troubleshooting path is to open DevTools. Review the terminal and ESLint problems panel. Then fix the highest priority error and rerun the build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.